are from the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia in Russia.
The nice great students
of the National School АЙЫИ КЫՀАТА in Yakutsk.
All people of the world have their own legends, myths, fairy tales.
For example, that the bull of cold brings cold and frost to Yakutia.
Or God accidentally dropped diamonds while flying over Yakutia because his hands were frozen.
Or Yakut tales about the old woman Tal, about a clever bird and glutton a la Magus.
But we are especially proud of our ancient epical Ho, which sings of the kindness, victory over evil, endurance, wisdom of the Sakha people. Our epical Ho as a masterpiece of oral art is listed in UNESCO.
But
we are going to talk about something quite different.
About the mysterious, unexplained, inscrutable, incomprehensible.
About the water monster on Lake Labynkyr, which is popularly called the Labynkyr Devil.
Where is Lake Labynkyr located?
Lake Labynkyr is a very large lake in the Mekansky district in Yakutia in the upper reaches of the river Indigirka. Rectangular in shape with width 4 and length 14 kilometers.
It is 105 kilometers from Tomtor village, known as famous Polov called the birthplace of Chizhan, the Yakut Father Frost.
There is such evidence that in March 1941, returning from a special Arctic expedition, pilots flying over Lake Labynkyr noticed movement.
Having gone down, they saw that two monsters were rushing about under a thick layer of ice. Frightened by the roar of aircraft, they rushed into the nearest hole, raising a powerful pillar of water like an artillery shell.
Elders of Tomtor believe that the Labynkyr devil has been living in the lake since immemorial time and is able to swallow both a deer and even a man.
They tell how a local reindeer had tied reindeers to some kinds of tusk sticking out thin ice. Suddenly, the tusk swayed, the ice fell apart, and something huge carried the deer into the abyss.
In 1961, an article by the geological group head, Viktor Alexandrovich Tverdohlebov, was published in the magazine Вокруг света number 2.
From Tverdohlebov's diary.
We saw only a small part of the animal, but a huge massive body was gasped under the water. Before us, there was a predator, no doubt one of the strongest predators in the world.
Tverdohlebov's article was a real sensation at that time. Scientific expeditions were organized. After all, Labynkyr could claim the fame of Loch Ness Lake with unfound monster.
In our generation, we'll have to open the veil of mysterious phenomena, facts and events, including the existence of the Labynkyr devil.
Goodbye!